There's a new update going on right now in Facebook, and Meta is changing the whole way they serve ads on your videos. Now, if you're a creator of Reels, you create more Reels, you focus more on Reels, and you earn it from Reels, and all of a sudden you stop seeing ads in your Reels. This is the issue. If your videos are less than 15 seconds, there's a new update in Facebook, which is the Meta. Now, what is this update all about? If your video is less than 50 seconds, you're not going to be seeing ads anymore. They updated their terms and conditions that your videos need to be more than 50 seconds for you to see ads. And the reason being it is your videos need to play some few seconds before ads start rolling in. And those ads need more than just 50 seconds to stay on your screen for you to see. So wherever you are watching or creating videos or sharing videos and your video is less than 15 seconds, you will be running into a challenge like this. So what is the way forward for this? Create videos that are longer than 50 seconds so that you'll be able to see ads on your Reels. I hope this video helped. If you did, let me know in the comment section, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.